In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a heat map in Tableau. We'll walk through a step-by-step process that can be completed in just about 5 minutes. So, whether you're a Tableau novice or looking to refresh your skills, stick around and let's dive right in. To begin, open the Tableau public app. This application is your gateway to creating visualization magic with data. Once you've opened Tableau, access your worksheet where you will do your work. This is where all the action takes place, and it's ready to be filled with insightful visuals. Next, it's time to lay the groundwork for our heat map by clicking on the Analysis menu at the top. From the drop-down, select Create Calculated Field. This is an essential step because it allows us to define a new measure that will power our heat map. In the dialog that opens, give your new field a name. Let's go with profit ratio for this example. Enter the query you need and hit OK. You've just created a calculated field that you'll use in your map. With your new calculated field ready, find it in your data pane. Now, while holding the Ctrl key, click on it. Holding down Ctrl allows you to select multiple areas of interest. With Ctrl still held, select state and country from your data fields. This action is going to tell Tableau exactly what geographical dimensions you're interested in visualizing. Once you've selected your dimensions, navigate to the Show Me panel on the right-hand side of your worksheet. Here, you'll find different chart types to choose from. Select the Map option. This changes the visualization to a map, setting the perfect stage for turning that map into a heat map. Now let's refine our visualization. Look for your profit ratio field, click on the drop-down arrow beside it, and select Format. You will be brought to formatting options on the right. Go to the Pane section where you can locate number settings. Change the number format to percentage and adjust the decimal places to 1. This step makes your data cleaner and easier to interpret at a glance. Finally, it's time to add a splash of color. Colors can help convey differences in your data easily. Click on the Color shelf, select Edit Colors, and you will get an array of palettes to choose from. Pick a palette that best represents the data story you want to tell with this heat map. And there you have it, a customized heat map showcasing your data in both a visually appealing and deeply informative way. Thanks for following along, and happy data visualizing with Tableau.